Hi, I'm Brittany. I'm a stylist at West 13th Salon, and today our tutorial is doing vertical sections with a curling iron. I'm going to prep her with our Illuminate, which is a shine spray, and it also acts as our heat protectant as well. So just a couple sprays. And then depending on the barrel of your curling iron, you can usually take about an inch, inch and a half sections. And I always curl away from the face, right around the corners, starting halfway down. I do them as tight as I possibly can because at the end you can run your fingers through them or comb through them to loosen them. As you can see, I'm doing about a half turn. Make sure you get those ends nice and secured and roll up. Once again, I am curling away from the face on this side. Then after every section, I spray it with our chain, which is our first control spray, which has a light hole. And then we're going for a more looser curl today, so I'm just going to brush them out. Give a nice soft curl. Just to coat her ends, make them look soft, I'm going to use our beautifying serum. Just right through the ends. And then I'm going to complete it with our full effect, which is our dry texturizing spray, just to piece any of them out that we would like to stick out. we have a completed look.